ABC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's a chilly one tonight. Temperatures will be bottoming out in the low to mid 40s. Fog, a little bit of a concern. We'll be watching those trends through the overnight hours, especially western and northern sections of Acadiana, where we could have some pretty low visibilities. More on that in just a bit. And get ready for some rain on Wednesday, but between now and then, if you like today, I think you're going to like tomorrow. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery across the lower 48. And we have this upper level low that's down by Southern California, Southern Nevada. That has been shooting those high clouds and also enhancing that subtropical jet stream. But notice we've seen a little bit drier air coming in from the west, and that's allowing for those high clouds to clear out just a little bit this afternoon. And as we take a closer, tighter look into Louisiana, again, a lot of those high clouds thinning out during the course of the evening. And where temperatures meet up with the dew points, that's where we're going to have some fog issues developing later on tonight. So notice the model really bullish on the fog from Bunkie down through Evangeline Parish, through Jeff Davis Parish, and then on westward through Calcasieu and down through Cameron Parish, near zero visibilities through tomorrow morning, all the way through southeast Texas. So if you have early morning travel plans, allow a little extra time to get where you're going if you're traveling to the west. And I think there might be spots in Acadiana, elsewhere in Acadiana, where we could see lower visibility. So keep that in mind, and don't forget to tune in first thing tomorrow morning. Daniel Phillips will have an update on that fog situation in the morning. Fog lifts gradually, some spots a little bit longer right along the Texas-Louisiana border, but most of us should see mostly sunny skies tomorrow. There's that fog bank as we take a look at your future cast, but generally expect after the morning fog, mostly sunny skies. Should be a very nice one. Lunchtime temperature tomorrow right around 60. We should max out in the low to mid 60s, but here come the high clouds coming in and thickening up tomorrow evening and overnight tomorrow night ahead of what should be a wet Wednesday. Showers beginning to develop first thing at daybreak on Wednesday. An area of low pressure develops, and that could enhance some storms off to the north or to the southeast. But the bottom line, on and off scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, but we're not looking at widespread heavy rainfall amounts, nor any severe weather for that matter. In fact, this storm system actually gets stronger once it passes us, as strong jet stream energy will follow behind it. So that means wraparound clouds and misty drizzles and some light rain shower activity for Thursday. It's going to be a blustery day. Temperatures in the low to mid 50s, but with that northwest wind, it's going to feel like it's in the 40s all day Thursday. We clear out as we head into Friday, so it's going to be a nice sunny one on Friday. Temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 50s. Friday night, Saturday morning, that should be the coldest night, with temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 30s. Maybe the threat of a frost early Saturday, but that high pressure ridge moves off so quickly off to the east that we warm up Saturday afternoon. So this is the weekend before Christmas. We get into Sunday. It looks like more clouds on the way. Just a little bit of a frontal boundary here. May try to bring in cooler air, but we think that front runs out of gas. It stays on the mild side. Maybe a shower or two as we go into Christmas Eve during the day, but into Christmas Eve night. Maybe a little fog, but that shouldn't be an issue. Mostly cloudy skies, and staying on the mild side. Temperatures will be in the 50s. That's mild for this time of year. Lows should be generally in the mid 40s. And then notice in the northeast, they'll be waking up to a white Christmas, perhaps from New York on up through Boston, and in the west it stays busy with lots of storm systems and lots of snow in the Rockies to the Olympic Mountains to the west. Then Christmas Day staying mild, temperatures per the European model pushing near 70 degrees, and that's the way it stays for Wednesday as well. Eventually we could see this next weather system deliver a good chance of rain as we get into the Thursday after Christmas, but again 8 to 10 days out in the wintertime we can see a lot of changes in the pattern, so don't make plans off of that 10-day forecast is what we're saying. Rainfall wise, with the rain on Wednesday, between a ½ inch and a ¼ inch of rain per the European model, and the latest RPM model as we drill down into Acadiana, pretty much showing the same. I think there might be one or two spots that pick up nearly an inch of rain wherever there's a couple of thunderstorms, but most of us seeing just enough rain to make it annoying for Wednesday, and lingering misty drizzles continuing for that Thursday as well. Temperatures tonight lower 40s across most of Acadiana, maybe a little bit milder to the west. and we'll see lower 40s down to the coast as well. So that's a little bit chillier than what it was this morning. And then tomorrow, almost as mild as today. We'll hit temperatures into the mid-60s once again. I think 63 was about the high today. We'll see that again for tomorrow, 63 or 64 degrees. Down into the upper 40s, lower 50s tomorrow night. So a little bit milder through Wednesday with that rain coming in. And then with the rain on Wednesday, we'll see temperatures still in the lower 60s. But notice the cooler air off to the north and west. That'll be spilling in here for Wednesday night. So a little bit chillier tonight. Fair to partly cloudy skies with some fog, especially western sections of Acadiana. So we'll watch that for you. 42 the low, 64 the high tomorrow. Pretty nice day with sun early. High clouds mix again, but more clouds by late in the day. Very light east to southeast winds tomorrow afternoon. There's your big rain chances for Wednesday. Lingering showers for Thursday. Clearing out for the winter solstice Friday. Saturday looks good. Sunday pretty good as well. And notice the temperatures as we head toward Christmas, getting into the lower 70s with a good chance of rain a week from next Thursday.